Notice how all the cards in the deck are all different. Okay, well, here's what I'm going to cut it a few times. And then just tell me when to stop.
Oh, yeah, stop.
Stop? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Now pick the card on top of that deck. Show it to the camera. Then put it back in the same spot. On the top?
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll do that. I'll cut it once more, just to make sure. I'll put it to the bottom. Okay. What's this? Is that your card?
Oh my gosh, it is.
Hang on, that's not all. Watch this. Oh, what's this? Now, every single one is your card. Now I'll get it back to normal. Now, all different here.
Oh my gosh.
Just like that.